You know content drives sales, but creating for LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and email, it's like a second full-time job. Even with all the AI tools at our disposal, we are still stuck making decisions, switching formats, and repurposing everything. And I kept thinking, there has to be a way to scale without a content team. So I built a system, one that turns a single video like this into 20 plus platform native posts in under 60 seconds and fully automated. Let me show you how it works. Using my automated system, here's how I repurpose one video. That's 7 content formats and over 20 posts, all customized for the platform. It's my thoughts, my voice, my content, structured, optimized for visibility, engagement, and conversion. I built this system to automate my own content because I was frustrated. And because there are so many founders that I know struggling with the exact same thing. I'm turning it into a plug and play toolkit, AKA an AI agent. It's not public yet. I'll be releasing it in a few weeks. I'm going to be giving a discount to my beta testers. That's the first 10 or 20 people that purchase it. If that's interesting to you, get on my email list. It's erintran.com/YT. So jump on that now so that you will get an early heads up, because I will be notifying everybody on my email list about 1 week before I let anybody else know. The system works in 3 steps that I like to call extract, elevate, execute. It's just bang, bang, bang. Extract pulls your transcript and grabs core ideas. The elevate stage parses and customizes to each platform. Execute loads it back into a page for you and tags each one for your specific review. And you guessed it, I don't even touch ChatGPT or any other LLM manually. It runs on autopilot. Let me show you exactly what that looks like for real on my screen right now. All right, here we are. We've got the make scenario at the top, and that is basically where the AI agent lives inside and all the functionality is set up. In just a second, I'll click the run once button, and what that's going to do is this first module is going to grab this piece right here, specifically the transcript, and then it will run through the entire process. The LLM that's used in this AI agent is ChatGPT, and then it will do some parsing with the output so that everything is in the right format. There's a ton of inputs in here, which we won't get into in this video. And then right over here in the last module, that is the database here on the bottom, the Content Repurposer Pro table. I'm not sure if this is the final name yet, but what's going to happen is when I click run once, it will pick up this first one, it'll go through all the way to the end, and it will spit everything out here. Let's do it. Okay, you're seeing this first one running. So it's grabbed its one input, which was the transcript from here. And now ChatGPT is following a lot of instructions that I've given it. So there's developer instructions, there's user instructions, there's system instructions, and these have been fine-tuned towards the personas that I target in my business, so that every message that it creates off of my own original content is truly meant for my audience in my voice. And then it's done its transform, and as you'll see over here, you've got the 8, and all the way down here in the Content Repurposer table, you'll see, I'm just going to do like a slow scroll. It's just filling it in, and there's 15 right now. So it started out with some quotes for X. There's carousel copy, 3 of those. It's making the YouTube. Yep, you just saw the YouTube community posts pop in. There's 3 captions for shorts and reels. There's 3 LinkedIn posts, an X thread. And also I'm still working on, actually it is in here, the newsletter call to action section. So this works for any transcript, whether that's coming from a podcast, a newsletter, an article off of Medium, Substack, your website, or the transcript from a YouTube video that you've created. You can literally take any long form in the world, drop it into this transcript field, and it will pull it back out in the same tone and voice that you plugged in as one of the inputs in your AI agent. So this is my AI agent. I'm in the process of packaging it up, but I wanted to show you how it works because I've now got stuff in my voice for all of these different ones. And I just need to pair up some images, which I will show you how I do that in a separate video. All right, let's get back to it. And this is why it works. Most AI tools give generic content, but this isn't just AI. This is a system where I've plugged AI into it. And I've built this for solopreneurs and business owners just like me who sell products and services and who want to scale without hiring, burning out, or repurposing all their content manually. If you're running a business, you know content is a must, and this saves you 10 to 15 hours a week easily. And you can build it or you can buy it. Creating an AI agent is not that hard once you know what you're doing. I've spent about 300 hours on this. It's a trade-off and you have to make a choice. So if you want to save 300 hours, get on my list, erintran.com/YT, or feel free to build it. If you're interested in how I've built it and you want me to do a deep dive on how to build AI agents, leave me a comment so I know if that's something that would be of interest. This system is going live as a full packaged up toolkit or AI agent where you will then unpack and complete the sections relevant to you so that it's set up and customized to you. So this is templates, workflows, AI prompt structure, and more. Customized exactly to the personas that you sell to in your business. This is everything I use to automate my content without losing my own voice or wasting my time. So subscribe if that's your kind of strategy. And if you want to see how I turn YouTube views into actual leads, watch this video next. Take care, stay true to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.